6-hour notice? Indians at risk under ICE's new deportation rule. They told him 6 hours, no lawyer, no safety net. He was on a flight to a place he's never been. This isn't fiction. ICE now can deport you to a third country in as little as 6 hours. No guarantee you'll be safe. No time to say goodbye. Let's unpack this. What's going on? On July 4th, ICE updated its internal memo, allowing immediate deportations to countries that aren't your own. In exigent circumstances, you get just 6 hours warning. Even with a 24-hour window, there is no safety assurance. If the country agrees, ICE skips notice entirely. The Supreme Court recently cleared the way, revoking prior judge warnings that this violates refugee protections. Why it's a game changer? This breaks decades of deportation norms. Now, Indian students, H-1B techies, green card applicants, and even asylum seekers could be uprooted. Countries like China and Cuba don't always cooperate with deportations. What happens when ICE ships you to a place you've never lived? And worse, no diplomatic promise that you won't face prosecution or torture. It puts thousands at risk of prosecution and torture, warns an immigration lawyer. Thousands thought they were safe until this rule hit. One Guatemalan man was sent to Mexico, kidnapped and assaulted right after landing. All while Justice Sotomayor said, in matters of life and death, it is best to proceed with caution. Instead, ICE moves fast. What you can do? Contact a licensed immigration attorney immediately if you're undocumented on visa or in proceedings. Prepare documentation showing fear of harm, family ties, or long-term community ties. Demand a reasonable fear interview under the Convention Against Torture. Act within hours. If ICE gives you any notice, tell them you need screening. Record your case. If ICE breaks rules, legal action may stop your removal. What's next? For now, the policy is live. Flights to third countries have already started, but court challenges continue. Advocates fight to restore 10-day warning rules. Until the courts act, this rule stands, and you could be next. Have you or someone you know gotten a deportation notice within less than 24 hours? Were you told you'd go to a third country? Share your story below. What country? What notice? What happened? Subscribe and press the bell. Let's track this crisis together. ICE now deporting you with just 6 hours notice. No safety promises. Are you next? Sent to a country you've never been to and no warning? This is ICE's new rule. 6-hour deportations fueled by Supreme Court decision. No guarantee you'll be safe.